time for another wedding registry unboxing. I have no idea what it is, but I'm excited to find out. And it was super, super heavy trying to lift this thing into the house. I kind of feel bad for the person who had to bring it to the front step. Let's see what's inside. Apparently I had to play with my dog at the same time. Ooh, it's a box in a box. Oh my gosh, that's ridiculously heavy. My goodness. Ugh. Slide this out, and then maybe it's a little easier. It says Europe on it, or Euro. Let's see. I am so excited. Oh, I think it's the new china that I wanted. Oh my goodness. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, I lost it. Mm. Oh, this is just like a little flyer. Okay. Let's, I think these are the plates. So plates should give you the best idea of what it looks like. I want to make sure I open this properly. Gosh. Looks like this is the easiest spot to open. I'm going to be really careful too. There we go. Of course I'm upside down. Alright, let's do this. Here's one of the plates. It is so pretty! Ah! Oh my gosh, it's so pretty! I know! Are you curious? Now, I don't know if it's supposed to have that crackled look. I'm hoping, gosh, I hope that's by design. Because these are, well, here's the plate. And then microwave and dishwasher safe. But are they supposed to have that crackle? I forget what that technically is called when it does that. Ugh, I hope that's, well, everyone is like that. I had to look online to see if that's what they actually advertise. Okay, well, these are the plates. Let's take a look at the bowls too. Make sure if they all look like that, then maybe that's how it's manufactured. If not, then I have to question if that's what it's supposed to be. They definitely packed this up tight. Okay, so I think these are small plates, if I recall. Here we go. We'll bring out a sample small plate. Yeah, they have that crackle on them too. And I think that was the same color. Gosh, starting to forget. Oh wow, that's a way different color. This is like a dark blue. That's almost like a gray. I'm gonna leave these out so kind of look at these one by one. All right, these are obviously the bowls. Let's open up a bowl. What are you doing? You're just being suspicious. Here's one of the bowls. Now on the outside, oh, I guess they do have a crazing. I think that's what it's crazing, is when it has that little crackleness around. So A little bit of that gray-blue look again. So put that there. And then the last one, I think, is the big bowls. That's the soup bowl, and this is the salad bowl. I'll show this last one. Oh, goodness, this is packed up the hardest. Okay. So we've got two bowls out. I'll show you one of them. Here we go. So white on the inside, and then yeah, that crazing on the outside. But here they are. Yay! So that's. I guess they should be able to do that. So. Oh, but the detail on that is really pretty. So excited! Thank you for the registry gift. So excited. Yee! Here's a better look at the pattern. I would show them off with my hydrangeas, but you can see really pretty pattern. There is a lot of crazing. Kind of wasn't expecting that, but it was really hard to notice that in the photos if it existed. But here's the bowl. Oh, I have this little backwards. Here's the salad bowl. And then the last plate is right here. So excited to use the new dishes.